I'm Linda, Teen Librarian at the Traverse Area District Library. And for this month's craft, we are going to be making washer necklaces. So if you haven't got your craft kit, stop by the main library in Traverse City and pick it up. In your craft kit, you will have 10 feet of cord, a washer, 3 metal beads, and 12 plastic beads. So your washer, you can use it just like this if you'd like. It makes a really nice necklace just like this, but I tested out using fingernail polish on a couple of them. If you can see that there, it works really well, makes them nice and colorful, and you can make it match your outfit. Although silver goes with everything. Just put 1 coat of nail polish on one side, let it dry, flip it over, do the other side. And then I would suggest doing a second coat on both sides. So it does take a little bit of time because you need to let it dry. Now for making this craft, it's pretty quick craft to make this time. You're going to take your cord and you're going to match the ends up so you have it completely in half. And you're going to cut it so you end up with 2 5-feet pieces. I've already done that. I think you can figure it out on your own. Then you want to match them up, line them up not evenly because you don't want everything hanging down at the same level. So just fold them in half there with the ends uneven and go down to where you have your loop. Let's do it with orange so you can see it better. Put your washer on the loop, just like there. Then go through and grab the string. And you're going to hold on to your loop. So you pull it through and you end up with just a little design just like that. You might want to flatten it out if it's all bunched up. Mine came out pretty flat already. So this is what it's going to look like. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ends of your string and put it through the loop. So this is your necklace, but of course it's going to come undone and everything because there's nothing to stop these from coming back through. So now we put on the beads. And you can put them on in any order, direction. I'm going to do, let's see, so I have 4. Divide up my plastic beads, like there, I think. That's what one was missing. So I'm thinking of maybe doing a metal bead, 1 metal bead on 3 of them, and I think 1 will get an extra plastic bead and 1 will get just a couple plastic beads. So I don't want them all to be identical myself, but you can make them all identical except you only have 3 metal beads. So 1 of them is going to be different regardless of what you want to do. So just figure out what order you want to put them in, grab 1 string and string them on. I think this one I'll just do 2 plastic and a metal. And then all you do once you have them on there is tie a knot, or just a tie. 1 tie should be enough to hold them on there. If it's not, you can tie it twice. You see that now they don't come off. Do that with all 4 of them. Plastic, plastic, metal, plastic. Now the metal is nice because it kind of holds the string down. But I wanted to make more of these kits, so everyone only gets 3 metals. But I think it works well enough. with only cream metal. If you have something else, another bead at home that you would like to put on it, you can do that too. But I kind of like the way this hangs, just like this. Get these last 4 on. This should go really quick, but you know, some of us are not that fast at beading things. I really like the designs on these beads. They remind me a little bit of cherry blossoms, and that was the season when I bought them, so that's probably why. There we go. So I've got beads on all 4. And my necklace is like this, so I can just put it on without my glasses on. I can put on my necklace and then pull it to whatever length I want it. Make it short, I can make it long, opposite, long or short, just like that. So I hope you had fun making this craft. It's quick and easy, but it looks really good. And I will see you for the next craft.